Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm going to review one of the best power banks in the world. That is Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. This is 10,000 mAh is the battery capacity. And the main feature of this particular power bank is that this is having 22.5 watt fast power delivery actually. So you can charge your mobile appliances very quickly, which I can say that. So this one will be very useful for the iPhones also actually. Okay. So if you are using an iPhone, there is a 20 watt adapter only you will be getting for fast charging. But with this thing, you can charge at 22.5 watt actually. That is a really good option, which I can say that. So I will be unboxing this particular product and I will be explaining all the features related to this particular product. And this will be very useful for your day-to-day activities. If you are traveling, if you are an international student, so anyway this one will be a very useful product, and it is very compact also. It is like a pocket kind of stuff you can easily carry on pocket actually. Okay, so let's see the important features of that. If you want to purchase this thing on an offer price, in the video description I have provided a link, so there you will get some discount or something if you use that link actually. Okay, so you can check it out there actually. So let's see what are the important features of this particular power bank. Okay, so first thing is that this is a Mi logo is provided there. So the 22.5 watt is a power charge capacity and 10,000 mAh is the battery capacity actually. So key features are super lightweight actually. That is very important, like during your traveling and all those stuff handling, and very compact actually. So that is the name itself from Pocket Power Pro. And there is a 12 layer advanced protection actually. So it's like any charging device, the protection needs to be there to prevent fire, overheating or anything. So they have provided 12 layer advanced protection actually. Okay, in the market you can see 18 watt, 20 watt, 10 watt fast charging. This is 22.5 watt actually. Okay, so this will make one of the best in the world, and from the name itself it is really good, and it is a made in India product actually. Okay, so this is side, you can see that Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro, that the rating is given sidewise. Okay, so if you see here, you can see that what is the product name, product model, what are the like technical specifications. You can see that what is like ampere output and all those stuff will be there. Okay, so if you see that it is made on July 2022, and all the details are very clearly mentioned here. So now let's open and see it. So that is the most important thing. Overall the packing is, I can give a like 5-star packaging, which I can tell that. So let's open and see how the particular power bank looks like. And yeah, obviously when you're traveling, you need a compact adapter actually. That will be very useful while you're traveling actually. So that's why I have like prefer this thing. So let's open and see it. Wow. So in the box you can see, I think this is a user manual actually. Okay, so they have mentioned 10,000 mAh. Okay, there are some details they have mentioned, technical details. If you want to read this, you can pause the video and read this thing. Okay, so when you buy it, definitely read the user manual, which is very important actually. Okay, so now let's see the products. Another wonderful packaging they have given. So I'm impressed with the packing. So let's take it out. Wow. So this is our power bank, and I think this is a charger they have provided actually to charge the thing, and also you can use it to charge something using a Type-C output also there, the USB thing also there. So the quality of this particular thing is really good, which I can feel it, and the length also really good, you can see. Okay, this is more than sufficient for the length perspective if we speak. So let's see about our power bank. Wow, packing is, I have to say, it's a really good option, good thing. So you can see that. Wow, there is a grip provided that is very very premium finish if you see it actually. Okay, so you can see that the Mi logo is there actually, that is also carved out very well. So here is the thing actually. So there are 4 ports, you can say that, but 3 simultaneous charging is possible. 2 USB ports are there, and 1 Type-C port is there, and 1 micro USB, that is for charging the thing. So you can use micro USB as well as you can use the Type-C for charging, that they have mentioned. Okay, so here is a button actually, power button actually. So if I click on this, see, then it will show the charges are almost 3 bars are active, so that much charge is left in this thing actually. Okay, so from the details I have seen, around 3.54 hours you need to fully charge the thing. iPhone and all you can like charge 2 to 3 times, that is what is mentioned. So if you see here is also the product details are mentioned here actually, like 10,000 mAh and all those stuff is detail mentioned. The best thing is this is very small actually. If you can see, this is very small in my palm itself actually. Okay, it's a very small power bank, easily you can carry, you can put it in a pocket, and it looks really great actually. So this, all the ports are also looking so premium, so you can easily connect it and charge it actually. So if you want to charge it, you have to just connect the type C and put into any adapter or something, so you can charge the thing actually. So at least first you charge around 4 to 5 hours, so you can simultaneously charge 3 devices. That is the best thing. 2 USB ports and 1 type C is there actually. Okay, so this is all about the charger. So let me tell why you should buy this product actually. So these are my observations. First thing is that the design actually, so it looks so premium and it is very easy to carry and very pocket friendly. That is one thing. Even the price also 1,400 something, so you will get an offer price in the video description if you check the link. And you can simultaneously charge 3 things actually. Type C is a very good option because nowadays most of the electrical appliances comes with Type C, like electronics appliances. So Type C is there, and most importantly, fast charging. In the current world, you know that the charging has to be quite fast. Without fast charging, it is very difficult actually. We don't have the patience to wait that much time. So fast charging is good actually. So another question is, do you have to buy this? Because most of the products come with a good battery capacity or phones. But if you are having an iPhone or something, the charging capacity is not that good. But when while you're traveling, and if you are commuting to your office, all those stuff daily on more than 1 hour span of time, then power bank is a very essential thing. It will be useful for some very crucial moments, which I can say that actually. Okay, so let's see. This is the power bank. Some packing covers are provided there. This is another packing cover, and this is the charging cable they have provided, which is very premium quality, and I think almost 1 feet length is there, 30 centimeters, that I think. So this is the packaging. The packaging also looks quite good. 10,000 mAh, super lightweight, compact foam, 12 layer advanced protection. So safety thing they have taken care very much. So I will definitely suggest this product in a safety aspect actually. Okay, and another important thing is the user manual also looks quite good. The premium finish, everything is mentioned very clearly, so you can see there is an anti-counter theft label instruction is provided. So you can see there is a label provided here, somewhere here. Let's see that. I think it is provided in the cover itself. There is an anti-theft cover they have provided actually. So there are a lot of information which is very useful. I would recommend you definitely study these things actually. Okay, so I was using a power bank earlier. So this thing, I think it is a very stylish addition to my collection. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment on the video comment box, as well as like and share the video. If you are first time coming, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.